go explore!
Fang, pop into the oddity shop. Drop some money for a musty old book. Turns out the book that they took. At least if you're not into demonic possession. Need a cigarette, some furious. On the street, everybody's going mad. Furious heat, sweet demons, everybody's seeing red. Bashing and staring the shady dreams. There'll be no block left to party on. Real bad player, serious angel slayer. I'm gonna ring your bell. Once we stop this dance, you walk with me in hell. Just about to wipe the floor with some wet kid. Teach him a lesson that you'll never forget. When all these angels show up out of nowhere, you swear, how dare you interfere with my scheme? Do you think you can take me? You wrong. You're just the right age to die young. You guys must be nuts. I'm gonna kick you out. But if you got to guts, bring it on.
Hey, you be cool!